25 years ago, when I was the IT guy at NexTec, I would get those phone calls at 4 o'clock in the morning about how our server was down or can you go to the office and reboot it? And those are not great calls to get. On top of that, threats increased. The things we used our servers for proliferated, so they became more and more important as a backbone to our business, especially when Exchange took off. So then it became really important to have uptime. So we, at the time, took all of our servers, still owned all the hardware, and moved them to a colo facility in the northern part of Los Angeles. We had a dedicated, semi-dedicated tech who could respond to all the red lights so that I didn't have to. So fast forward to about 2008, and we moved to Seattle. At that point, the cloud had really taken off, and you could get reasonable performance, you get reasonable storage, and a fair amount of control depending on the host you picked. And so we decided, let's do a kind of staged rollout to the AWS cloud. So we sat down with the Cascadeo folks and mapped out what that would look like. What have we got now? Where are we going to go? And what will it look like when we're all done? So they helped us map out the whole plan to get from where we were, which was okay, to something a lot better, which is where we are today. And it's been a good relationship because it turns out not only has Cascadeo been helpful for NexTec, but they've been helpful for NexTec's clients.